2 years ago, we set out to reimagine backyard birding, bringing you closer to birds everywhere. With your support, we created 100 million connections with nature and countless moments of joy. Welcome to the second chapter. Indulge your senses. Can you feel the vibrations with the tips of your fingers? There's a buzzing sound reaching your ears, the mellowest of breezes caressing your cheeks. It's a hummingbird. Be captivated as it hovers mid-air, sipping sweet nectar, carrying pollen from one flower to another, helping out the oh-so-busy bees. These little creatures brighten up our gardens, sharing their vibrant colors and tireless energy, inspiring us to appreciate nature. Behold the enchantment of our smart hummingbird feeder, drawing these mesmerizing beings closer still, weaving a tapestry of unforgettable memories within the sanctuary of your home. Notice how graceful flying dancers keep your garden jazzy and welcoming to everyone. Just like the humble hummingbird, gracefully flapping its tiny wings, maintaining the natural equilibrium, we must do our share. Every step of the way from our offices to your backyard, we are committed to supporting science and protecting the environment. Now also with a stunning bird bath for our feathered friends to splash and play to their heart's content. Capture photos and videos of these little fellas basking in the sun, showing you and your family an entirely new meaning of the term bird's eye view. Seasoned bird watchers already know, and new enthusiasts have yet to learn how to really inhabit the world, to marvel at its wonders, and be grateful for all living beings without exception. It may be a dream, but it's a dream you can make come true.